this is Star with Sparkle Designs by Star. I'm just coming to share with you a quick tutorial for Jesse James beads using my Design Ambassador kit for the month of October. And I'm going to be using the new Halloween bead mix in Day of the Dead. I'm also going to be using my own eye pins and some chain that I have. I'm going to be using the little white skulls that were in the box, and I also glued some Swarovski crystals into the eyes. I glued some pink ones, and we're going to be using 3 of the tassels. We're also going to be using one of the little gold rondelles from the box, and we're going to be using the acrylic bead cap in orange and the little flower bead cap. So this is what it looks like right here. We're just going to make a set of earrings, and this is what it looks like, and I just wanted to share it with you. So grab your stuff and come back and we'll get started. Okay, the first thing that I did was I'm using a head pin, and I'm going to attach it to my chain. This is some chain that I had in my stash, and matter of fact, it's the only gunmetal chain that I have. So I just cut 2 little pieces off, and we're just going to attach it to our eye pin to make our dangle. Okay, and the next thing is we're going to put on our little rondelle, and we're going to put our skull on. We're going to put our orange acrylic bead cap and our silver bead cap. And the next thing we're going to do is fold it over, and we're going to cut a piece off. And I'm using my round nose pliers, and these are Xuron round nose pliers, and I got them from Amazon. And we're just going to turn this around like this, make a loop. That's all we're doing, is making a loop. Just like this. Okay, so this is what we have. All right, next, I'm not even going to be using jump rings. I'm just going to open the loops that are on our little tassels, and I put the orange one on the bottom, and the next one I used the teal one, turquoise, teal, whichever one you want to call it. I just opened it up, and I'm putting it on the little links of chain, because this chain has big links and small links, and I'm just putting it on the small links. That's all I'm doing. There's that one, and then the pink one, and we're going to put it on the top and put some ear wires and call it a day. Okay, there we go, just like that. Now we're going to get some ear wires. Whoops. And sometimes I cut this off and make it shorter, but I'm not going to do that today. Today, I'm just going to open up the loop, just like this. And before you close it, make sure it's laying the right way. Okay. And we're going to close it up. And there you have it. Cute little set of skull earrings, and we're going to do the other set, other side. That's all we're doing, and there you go. And there's a cute little earring, and here's what they look like together. Aren't those cute? Those are so stinking cute. We're going to lay them down. I'm trying to get it to lay down. There we go. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a like and a thumbs up. I hope you have a blessed, fabulous day. Remember, don't let anyone dull your sparkle, and you can never have enough sparkle in your life, or glitter, or anything else. So, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all next time. Bye, y'all.